Hello friends and welcome back to my studio. Thank you so much for being here today. And I can't tell you how happy I am to be in my studio. It's been a couple of months since I have been able to work in my studio and been home long enough to work in my studio. So super happy to be in this space again. But the problem with that is my head has been spinning with too many ideas of things that I want to do. So I decided to go back to basics. I'm going to do a little swiping action today with some colors that I already had mixed and kind of get that going so that I can kind of clear my head, hopefully, and move on to some other stuff. So let's get down to the table, look at our colors, and let's get swiping. Here we are with our colors. So for our base coat, we have some beautiful drips here, saved from other pours. I have Champagne Gold from Modern Masters. I have Copper from Acrylic. I have kind of my own linen color that's made from Liquitex Titanium and a little bit of burnt umber. And then I have Iridescent Gold Deep from Golden, and that is mixed with some Amsterdam pouring medium, and this is going to help give some beautiful selling effects. Okay, so I have my 24 by 48 inch canvas. I've painted the edges with burnt umber so that there's no chance of them showing through. I have my paper towel here that's been cut up into various widths so it's ready to go. My water bottle to spray down the edges to dampen it. I have my iridescent gold with Amsterdam pouring medium and a lid here. I'm going to pour this into here so that I can use that to swipe with. And then one color I decided to add is I added Iridescent Gold Deep again, but this time with my regular pouring medium instead of with the Amsterdam pouring medium, so that I would have some gold that wasn't just cells. I want some that is more consistent. And then lastly, I have some small cups here. I'm going to pour my colors into here except for my Amsterdam pouring medium gold, and that's going to make it easier for me to control where those colors are going. Now here we are. I have fast forwarded through the first little bit of this. Long story short, I decided to do a ring pour or a straight pour in part of the canvas and then do kind of a Kathleen Osmore swoopy swipe through the other part. And I didn't really love how that straight pour turned out, so I kind of skipped over that. And I ended up spending over an hour working on this painting, really right up to the edge of where the paints were starting to set up. So I decided to just cut that first part out so I could move on and show you guys the swiping part and the part that I really liked and kind of how I played with this and fixed it. I'm going to do the first couple of swipes here at regular speed, so you can see just how slowly I'm moving, and then I will slowly speed it up throughout the video so that this isn't a, hour-long video. But I hope you guys get the gist, and if you have any questions, as always, please put them in the comment section below or get in contact with me another way, and I am always happy to help you guys. we are with the wet walkthrough. Now, I'm not going to be able to get to a dry walkthrough before I release this video, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the pretty sections here. I'm loving these details and the lacing. Now, I'm still not sure about the composition of this overall. I love the swoopy swoop part, and I actually do like this area over here. I just don't think it works with this, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I'm going to let it dry and see how I feel about it later. But until then, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and see you next time.